So guys, good morning to all. Today we have our great student Udit Chauhan with us, and he has prepared a lot of things about why India is great. It means he has researched something about our country India, and he researched and what he found. Some of the things we also might know about that thing. So let's learn about that thing. That what is his research. So first you introduce yourself.
Hello friends, my name is Udit Chauhan and I am a student of Leaders Academy, and I prepare my topic why India is great because India is our country. This is honor for us. So means learn a new thing in India means
So how did it come in your mind that you should prepare something about why India is great?
because India is the most powerful country, and many people not knows about our country. So this is bad thing. India is our country, so we
We
yes
should have known about its
Yes.
greatness and like its specialties. And
yes
all those
why
things.
India is great.
Why India is great?
Yeah,
No, people
yes.
talk about India is great. India
Yeah,
is great.
yes.
Mera Bharat Mahan.
Yes.
Okay, so we see
So
some
yes,
of the lines behind.
yes, I tell some reasons why India is great. All people says India is great, but I give some reasons why India is great.
Okay.
So this is my research.
That is going to be a wonderful topic for today. Okay, so what are the points and what have you researched that why India is great? What do you think?
So, India is the most powerful country, and why India is great? It is means it is a reason. Like all nations people considered his nation is only his nation, but India in India about Indian people. Indian people not considered our nation only nation. He considered as a mother means Bharat Mata. So this is reason India is a got
Wow, that's
achievements.
wonderful point that we consider it's our mother. That's why it's called Bharat Mata Ki Jai.
Yes.
So our country is like our mother. Okay,
Yes.
so we care like our mother.
Yes.
Okay, so this is number one point that they
Yes.
considered it as our mother.
Yes.
And other countries they consider that
Yes,
it's
only a
country.
nation.
Okay, it's only a nation. So that's greatness about India. First point. Second point is that
Second point is that India is a biggest democracy, and India has a most powerful means military power.
Okay.
Because India is a mother, considered a mother. So this is our mother, and our opportunity. So protect our mother to other nation.
Okay.
So India is a third biggest military power in the world. So this is biggest achievement.
This biggest achievement, the third military power in the world.
Yes.
Okay, so we are powerfully strong
Yes.
by our military force
Yes.
also. Okay, another points are there.
Next thing is India has a world's most largest youth population,
Okay.
because youth is a power.
Yeah.
And India has a most means number of youth
Okay.
population. So this is India is a powerful country. This is clue of
Okay,
Yes.
if we talk about youth,
Yes.
so if we compare other countries, say India has a
yes, largest youth population.
Okay, so that's the point.
Next point is in space research.
Hmm.
India is the first country who detect water on moon by Chandrayaan 1. You know?
Yeah, I know about that.
And next thing is India launched 104 satellite in one launch. This is the biggest achievement of India, because no country launched 104 satellite in one launch. So this is biggest opportunity. Yes.
It was in one launch.
Yes.
104 satellites we
Yeah.
launched, our country launched.
Yes.
Okay, that's also wonderful.
Yes.
Okay.
And next thing, games. Means India is a researcher. So India research of many games like kabaddi, research in India, है ना, and chess, and snake and ladder, you know,
Yeah.
snake and ladder, and kho also. So means India is a researcher. So this is called India. Who is researcher? Who is best? So that's the reason why India is great. And next is production.
Okay.
India is a big country. India has a many population. So India is a best production also. Like in 2013, India has a most milk producer means. India is the most largest milk producer country, and sugar also.
Okay.
Yeah, India means India products a large amount of sugar.
Okay.
So next thing mathematics. You know the Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta is only one man who means refined zero.
Found zero.
Yes, it's a important number of numbers, all numbers, and
It was given by India.
Yes.
Aryabhatta found that
Yeah.
zero. Okay.
and next is Bodhayan. It's find a value of pi. It's 3.14. It's the biggest achievement because no one can find this value of pi. So Bodhayan find this value. And next thing, India has a best India has a best mathematician. And I remember one lady.
Okay.
The lady name is Shakuntala Devi. It's a human calculator because she calculate a billion number in 28 seconds. Means billion number of figure in only 28 seconds.
Okay.
It's a world record. This is the reason why India is great.
It is great. Okay.
Yeah. And because India's people make India proud and great. And next thing is medical. In medical, India is a good researcher. So Maharishi Sushrut, it's the honor of surgery. Maharishi Sushrut is the first man who find a medical surgery like brain surgery and body surgery and all those things.
Okay.
And next thing is economy. India is a good researcher. India is a great productor. So India has a largest growing economy in the world and telecom market also. And India provide the cheapest but best quality network, means mobile network. So this is reasons why India is great. And universities, about study material of India. India is the first country who open a university. The Takshashila University?
Takshashila University.
Yes. The Takshashila University is the first university in the world. So this is biggest thing in India. And next thing is democracy. India has a best democracy. And in martial art.
There is a big list of
Yes.
One country is great. There are so
I
many
un-
things that sometimes we like.
I unable to remember.
I'm unable to remember and what to first, what to second, and all those things. So there are so many things like that
Yes.
that we can talk. That our country is great.
Yes.
If we talk about food, if we talk about our culture,
Yes.
if we talk about our values. All right, and morals. And so there are so many
Yes.
things are there that we can talk and that we can
Yes.
discuss. So this is.
I unable to remember these things.
So you research these all
Yes.
those things.
Yes.
And you found so many other things also
Yes.
that you are not speaking here.
Yes,
I think
yes.
that- Okay. Because there is a big list
Yes.
that we can talk and that we can discuss. So this is why our India is great.
Great.
Oh, we are proud to be an Indian. Okay. So like clapping for it. Thank you. That's a wonderful topic. This is a wonderful topic. And everyone should know about this. We should research something about that.
Yes.
Sometimes what happens when we meet the people, those who are from out of country, when they are foreigners kind of people come in our country, and when they talk something to us in that situation, if we don't know about our country, so it is kind of awkward moment for us because
Yes.
when they come to us and they talk about that why your country is great or what's special about your country and what is the speciality and what are the things here which are very famous and all like people and all those things. So in that situation we should talk about that. We should have information about
Yes.
that. So that's good thing. You
Yes.
researched a very good.
Thank you.
Okay. Anything else you want to say?
Yes, sir. And Science Day, I remember a Science Day in Switzerland is means a Science Day celebrate by India's, the Abdul Kalam, it missile man of India. मतलब उनके नाम पे बनाया था.
अच्छा उनके नाम पे ही
Yes.
इसको बनाया गया है.
Yes, and USB chip.
Yes.
USB chip made in India by Ajay Bhatt.
Okay.
So India is a good researcher. Means India has a good
Research
researcher.
power is very
Yes.
strong. Okay.
And yoga, meditation, martial art, it's find by India.
It's found by
Yes.
India. Okay.
So this is the reasons why
And
India is
meditation
great.
is also given by our country. That's
Yes.
so proud. And now, if you talk about meditation, there are so many researches has been done about meditation, and it creates a big impact on our mind and
Yes.
body, and every country is following this thing now. In other countries, if we talk about other countries, foreign countries also, they also follow the meditation
Yes.
techniques and all those things. It is given by India. Wow. Okay.
Okay.